Yo, what is up guys, Jacob here, aka Jacob Juicer, and today we're back with another flippity floppity video. And today I am reviewing my brother's new Yeezys that he just got like 2 or 3 days ago, I believe. Before we get into this, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's see if we can get to 3 likes. Let's see if we can get to 80 subscribers by the end of the month. I know that we can do it. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, so first of all, I have no idea what these are called. I think that they're dead stock, definitely. But he got it from a person, not from like copying online. These are what they look like. I'm pretty sure he copped them for I think $400 to $450. I'm not really too sure because I haven't really asked him too much about this. But as you can see, it's silver. The line is silver. And it's reflective. At first, I didn't know what that meant. Like, in the past, I thought that it meant, like, oh, yeah, if it hits light, oh, my God, it's, like, reflective. Basically, like a mirror, but with only, like, sunlight or whatever. I don't really know. But now I know what it means. Basically, what it means is that whenever you take a video of it and you turn on your flash, so it's, like, the flashlight as the video is going, in the video, it'll look like it's, like, super bright. It's kind of confusing. Yeah, I'll probably put in a video clip. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's kind of like glitter almost. It looks like there's glitter on it, but as you guys know, that's not actually what it looks like in real life. It's just the effect on video. Look at that. It's kind of cool. Looks like it's actual like metallic silver or something. And then these laces look pretty nice too. The inside is also silver. I don't think that's reflective. No, that's not reflective. But honestly, this is a pretty cool feature. I don't think that it should raise the price at all because you can only see it on video and half the people won't even know what you're talking about as in like reflective. Like, oh yeah, it's not reflecting any sunlight or anything. So that's basically my opinion on the reflectiveness, I guess you could call it. The soles are definitely good, obviously. Dead stock soles. Haven't been worn, I don't think. There's a couple little teeny tiny dust spots throughout these little things, but honestly, you can barely even see it. Like it's like teeny tiny dust particles. These are a size 11 or 10.5. I think it's 11. And yeah, that's basically my opinion on these shoes. Again, I completely forgot what they're called. I'll probably like somewhere in the video put like what it's called, like up there. Yeah. Jacob, in the editing, put it right there. Okay, guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you smash that like button down below. Just give it a little tappy tap. Let's see if we can get to 3 likes. Let's see if we can get 80 subscribers by the end of the month. I know that we can do it. And yeah, peace!